Riya lives in Mumbai. On a holiday, she went to the beach. At noon, she noticed that there was a warm sunny weather. But towards the evening, the weather changed and turned into a cloudy one. So she noticed this change in weather. Not only the change in weather, she also noticed that day turned into night after some hours, and after some hours, night turned back into day. Now, in her garden, she noticed that a seedling turned into plant after a few days. On the other hand, her brother bursted the balloon in few seconds. So we can see that basically almost everything around us undergoes certain type of change. Some changes occur in a blink of an eye, while others take a long time to change. For example, say winters take a long time, almost 6 months to change into summer. So this is a very slow change from winters to summers. So what are slow changes? Changes that take place over a long period of time. What is a long period of time here? It can take hours, days, months, or even years. Now, what are the examples of such slow changes? Germination of seeds. A seeds take time to germinate. It takes almost 10 to 14 days. Now, rusting of iron. You know, it takes a few days to rust. Now, what are fast changes? Changes that occur very fast, say within a few seconds or minutes. Can you name some fast changes? Let's see. Bursting of firecrackers take few seconds only. They change into such beautiful colors within few seconds. Now tell me, what type of change burning of this small paper is? Is it a very slow change? It takes days, months or years? No, it takes a few seconds or say a minute to burn this whole paper. So this is a fast change, as burning of paper takes only few seconds. Now, which of these is a slow change? You try to answer. Dropping an object from the top of a building or growth of a child? Well, dropping an object from the top of a building is a very fast change. However high a building you go and you drop an object, it will reach the ground in few seconds, just 2 or 3 seconds. But what about the growth of a child? Does growth of a child take place in a minute or in a second? No, it takes over years for a child to grow into an adult. So this is a slow change. So what did we learn? Changes can be classified into slow changes and fast changes.